Hello and welcome back to a new video from Learning Kernel. In today's video we will show how to make awesome pictures by inserting a pic into another pic by simply using MS Word. So without wasting our time, let's get straight into it. We will first insert the first picture, which will be used as the background. You can also copy and paste the picture. As you can see, the first picture is now inserted. Now select the picture layout to tight so that it can be moved easily. Now paste the second picture. We'll select this picture's layout to through. Remove the object's background. You can check out our video on how to remove picture's background using MS Word. Its link is in the description. Now adjust the object to match the background. As you can see, the picture is now ready. Now you can take screenshot to save it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a like and share it with your friends too. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section.